Okay, so we're in the Akadataş neighborhood in Istanbul. How you doing, my friend? Oh, yeah. Yeah. What are you selling? This guy, he's selling Band-Aids. It's a Band-Aid. And so I'm here at a place, Hana Chocolate Cafe. And listen, they have like some amazing chocolates, sweets. And so I'm going here and so you can see this amazing stuff here. So hold on, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna turn this around here. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I ordered this. It looks like this amazing brownie that has like this Italian gelato on top. So we'll see what it looks like when we come out, all right? All right, so listen, man, this thing looks crazy good right here. Look here, man, I gotta show you this. Look at that. Oh my God. That looks amazing, man. Wow. Love the presentation. Oh, yeah. All right, so now, you see it. Let's taste it, though. Let's see. That's good. Like a hazelnut gelato. Oh, man, that's good.